Hi, welcome back to Mama Four Boys. Tonight we're in luck. Tommy's cooking again. What are you making, honey?
I'm making like smoked steak pinwheels with cream cheese and jalapeno filling. So we're just rubbing these down with smoked onion and jalapeno seasoning with some oil.
And these are thin sliced sirloin tips. Sirloin tip steak. And Tommy took 3 bricks of cream cheese. We softened it in the microwave a little bit. And what did you put in the cream cheese?
2 seedless jalapenos, 1 seed-in jalapeno that's chopped, some freshly minced garlic, and some pepper.
Okay, so he's going to get these prepared, and he's going to, we'll show you putting the filling in, and then we'll show you the product. And we're going to cook these on the Ninja Woodfire smoker, so that we just got. So we'll be back.
All right, so I just dolloped some of this cream cheese mix on, and now try not to spread it too close to the edge so it doesn't all leak out. And then we also have some butcher's twine that we're going to roll it up with.
All right, we'll be back. All right, welcome back. Here's what they look like when they're tied up. So Tommy's got these rolled up. He's going to dollop some stuff on this last one here. We're making 8 of these. And then he'll roll it up like that. And then I'm going to tie it with the butcher's twine. So we'll be right back when we are about ready to get them on the smoker. Okay, welcome back. We're going to get our Ninja Woodfire going. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to pour in this amount of pellets. I'm going to have to set my camera down to do that real quick, but you pour the pre-measured amount of pellets in there, and that's all you use. I'm going to pour those in. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put that, the cup measure fills it up just perfectly. And we're going to come over here. We're going to hit start. We're going to put it on smoker. We're going to hit the temperature up to 400. Tommy wanted it. So let's do this. Looks pretty simple. And then we're going to hit this fire button. There. We're going to hit start. And then it will do its thing. And when those bars are reached all the way across here, it will be up to temperature, and we'll be back. All right, welcome back. Tommy's searing these up real quick, and then we're going to get them on the Ninja. We'll be back. All right, welcome back. We've got them on the wood fire. We've got our smoke going, and we're going to get this cook underway. We'll be back. All right, welcome back. These things are done. Look at how beautiful they are. So we're going to get these off of here, and we're going to get them, let them rest, and we'll be back. Hi, welcome back to Mama Four Boys. It's time for the taste test of these incredible smoked steak pinwheels. And they're filled with cream cheese and all that stuff that Tommy made, that goodness. I'm gonna dig right into one here. And look at this, I can't wait to see it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, amazing. Can't wait to try it. Here we go. So good. The cream cheese is just so amazing in here. The bite was a little too big for me, but I'm gonna cut this one in half. Anyway, this is just, I can't believe look at that, how beautiful that is inside. Just totally amazing. Let me have one more little bite real quick here. And I'm gonna get these because everybody else is ready to eat this up. Here we go, little bite. Look at that. Wow. Corn on the cob. Perfect meal. Wow, totally amazing. So please like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about this meal. Tell your friends about Mama Four Boys and about our Ninja smoker that Tommy got. And so So make this for your family. Until the next time we see each other, God bless.